అకేషన్ ఏదైనా లొకేషన్ ఎక్కడైనా తెలుగువారి వేడుక అంటే ఆలివ్ మిఠాయి ఉండాల్సిందే. మిఠాయి అంటే ఆలివ్.
Is this like a very big comeback for you?
Is a very strong character.
CCL's child in conflict with law.
Entire film based thing.
అప్పుడు 2003లో ఒక్కడిలో చూసి ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ భూమిక గారిని తన డైరెక్షన్ లో చూసుకుంటూ
Totally two different films. చూసాను.
కడుపులో చదివేసుంటే బాగుండు.
భూమిక గారు అంత సూపర్ స్టార్ బ్రేక్ తీసుకోవడం అన్నది చాలా మంది ఫ్యాన్స్ అరే
I think that break was needed. It's destiny how things pan out.
మీకుండే బెస్ట్ మెమరీస్ ఏ కో స్టార్స్ తో ఉన్నాయి?
Mahesh and I go underwater and that shot was really interesting for me.
Why do you feel this film will connect?
The times we are living in. The youth needs to see this film. Access to everything is there. So
నా ఫేవరెట్ ఎందుకంటే నా పేరే ఉంది కాబట్టి.
స్వప్న సంక్రాంతి ముగ్గైతే అందులో నేను గొప్పమ్మన్ రా.
హలో అందరికీ నమస్కారం. వెల్కమ్ టు సుమన్ టీవీ. బహుకాలం తర్వాత అందాల మెరుపు తీగ భూమికా చావ్లా గారు షీఈస్ బ్యాక్ విత్ అ ఫుల్ ఫ్లెడ్జ్ క్యారెక్టర్. మనకి గుణశేఖర్ గారి యూఫోరియా ఫిల్మ్లో ప్రధాన భూమిక పోషిస్తూ చాలా ఇంటెన్స్ ఒక మెసేజ్ ఓరియంటెడ్ సినిమాతో మన ముందుకు రావడం చాలా సంతోషం. ఈ సందర్భం చాలా గొప్పది బికాస్ ఐ హ్యావ్ అ వెరీ గుడ్ ఆపర్చునిటీ ఇప్పుడు ఇవాళ భూమిక గారితో మాట్లాడడం, తన జర్నీ, అఫ్ కోర్స్ యూఫోరియా ఫిల్మ్ గురించి ఎక్కువ విషయాలు. భూమిక గారు, వెరీ నైస్ టు మీట్ యూ ఆఫ్టర్ లాంగ్ టైం. చాలా రోజులు అయింది.
thank you. Same here. Long time.
ఐ థింక్ 7-8 అయిపోయింది, 10 అయింది ఆల్మోస్ట్.
Yeah, at least 10 years.
10 years అయింది
Yeah,
లాస్ట్
almost,
మిమ్మల్ని
yeah.
కలిసి.
Correct.
యా, సో ఇస్ దిస్ లైక్ అ వెరీ బిగ్ కంబ్యాక్ ఫర్ యూ? అంటే ఇంటూ యూ హ్యావ్ బీన్, మీరు కనిపించారు మధ్యలో తెలుగు సినిమాల్లో కనిపిస్తున్నారు.
Regular ga I've been doing films, but maybe because the length of the film, the role is not so much, or so. But this is a very strong character, and it's a entire film based thing. So probably you can call it, maybe you can call it a comeback. Maybe.
యా, ఇట్ ఈస్. అండ్ విత్ గుణశేఖర్ గారి కాంబినేషన్లో అయితే కంబ్యాకే.
Yes, definitely.
స్వప్న 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 నువ్వు సంక్రాంతి ముగ్గు అయితే నేను ముగ్గులో గొబ్బెమ్మని.
The famous dialogue. Yeah.
వెరీ ఫేమస్ డైలాగ్ విచ్ స్టార్టెడ్, ఐ థింక్ దిస్ ఇస్ యువర్ సెకండ్ ఫిల్మ్ విత్ గుణ గారు, రైట్?
Yes.
సో యూఫోరియా ట్రైలర్ చూస్తే కొంత అర్థమవుతుంది థీమ్ ఏమై ఉంటుందని చెప్పి. ఇది ఎందుకు కనెక్ట్ అవుతుందని అనిపిస్తోంది ఈ రోజుల్లో? వై డూ ఫీల్ దిస్ ఫిల్మ్ విల్ కనెక్ట్ విత్ ది ఆడియన్స్?
I think it's because the times we are living in. It's very, the youth needs to see this film, the teenagers, the college kids, and the parents. Unfortunately, I think everyone's so busy that personal connection is getting a little weak between families and everything.
True.
And access to everything is there. So how much, what is happening with children, you don't know. Also with parents, I think parents are busy. They lead a busy life, maybe because the cost of living is high, or they want to just work, or they're generally busy.
కరెక్ట్.
So they are not able to look at what's happening. So this is a very important film for today's time, for parents and for children to watch.
గుణశేఖర్ గారు ఈ కథ చెప్పినప్పుడు భూమిక మీరేమనుకున్నారు? అంటే వాట్ డిడ్ యూ థింక్ ఆఫ్ ద రోల్ అండ్ వర్ యూ ఎక్సైటెడ్ ఆఫ్టర్ లాంగ్ టైమ్? బికాస్ అఫ్ కోర్స్ హిందీలో చాలా కనిపించారు మీరు, తెలుగులో కూడా కనిపిస్తున్నారు, బట్ ఇలాంటి ఒక క్యారెక్టర్కి.
Chala excited because it's a very challenging role and a very important role for, or an important film to be part of, project to be part of, because I want to be part of something that goes out to the society as a very strong message to the people.
ఐ థింక్ యూ ఆల్వేస్ బీన్ లైక్ దట్ కదా.
Yeah, I've tried to do something little different if possible, but this is a really strong role. This is the first time I'm playing an actual mother's role to a 16-18-year-old boy. So of course there was a little bit of hesitation, but that hesitation did not last long.
Why did you hesitate? Because it's a కొంచెం it's an older boy's mom, or
Bombay and all, it's different. Like when you compare movies like Tumhari Sullu, or you compare movies like recently Jyotika did a film called You know, with Madhavan and Jyotika, no, Shaitan.
Yes,
She's
of
played
course.
the mother to a grown-up daughter. Or even Rani Mukherjee doing a mother's role to a small kid. But it's different there. Here, I don't know how they'll perceive it. You probably get slotted very easily.
Is it true about all regional cinema? Or specific తెలుగులో మాత్రం అలాగా ఒక వయసు దాటిపోయాక స్లాట్ చేసేసి టైప్ కాస్ట్ చేసేస్తారు?
Not just Telugu. I think most languages it happens, but Telugu.
ఐ థింక్ రీజనల్ సినిమాలో అది ఆ ఫీలింగ్ ఉంది.
Yeah, so it is a risk to take, but this risk is worth my while because of the project, because of the script, because I want to be part of this.
Right.
It is very, I feel very strongly about the subject. And I see what's happening out there. You observe a lot of people. So, but once I read the script, there was no two ways.
You just had to do it.
I had to do it. There was no way I was going to say no to this.
బట్ ఈ సినిమాకి ప్రత్యేకమైన ప్రిపరేషన్ ఏమన్నా ఉండిందా మీకు? బికాస్ చాలా రోజుల తర్వాత ఇలా ఫుల్ లెంగ్త్ క్యారెక్టర్ చేయడం.
Preparation, I think more so it was, I think the whole thing is, what should I say? Guna sir has really done his homework and he knows what he wants on the sets. He's very clear about the kind of shot he's looking at or the expression. And if it's not okay, it's not okay with him. He'll just take as many shots after that. So if I had any questions or queries, I would speak to him. But yeah, there were some scenes you need a lot of mental preparation for.
సో ఓవరాల్ చాలా ఎంజాయ్ చేశారు.
I enjoyed working in the film. It was challenging for me, very challenging, and I hope I've done justice.
ట్రైలర్లో చూస్తే మాత్రం చాలా పవర్ఫుల్గా గ్రేస్ఫుల్గా కనిపిస్తున్నారు. ఐఎమ్ ష్యూర్ సినిమా కూడా అంత ప్రామిసింగ్గా అనిపిస్తోంది బికాజ్ ఆ సబ్జెక్ట్ మ్యాటర్ అలాంటిది. మీకు తెలిసిన ఫ్రెండ్ సర్కిల్లో మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా చూసారా వేర్ పేరెంట్స్ హ్యావ్ స్ట్రగుల్డ్ విత్ ఎనీ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ సబ్స్టెన్స్ అబ్యూస్ ఫర్ దేర్ కిడ్స్? Maybe not in your friends, but even in your acquaintances, people you know.
Yeah, so not in my friends, but you know, my employees, my driver, my ex-driver who used to work with me a few years ago, his younger brother, majorly into
Drugs.
and life is ruined, finished. He used to tell me that he used to steal money from the home, take drugs, lost weight, you know, fully gone. And it's very sad. Then I know someone else in whose family a young kid, like 23 years, got into substance abuse. And it's very scary, it's very sad, because when you hear the future's all gone for a 23-year-old, you have nothing left.
Correct.
So it's very heartbreaking, you know. This movie also says that sometimes people maybe do these things for, let's try what it's like. But if you try and you can get out, do that. But if you try and you get stuck in that whirlpool and in that zone, you're gone.
So even ante frankly speaking, either socially or legally, we don't even justify trying, right?
It should not be available only first of all.
Available first of all, that's true.
Even though it's banned, then how is it available?
Mumbaiలో ఎలాగండి? I hear, I mean we all hear that it's much more easily available in places like big cities like
Yeah,
Mumbai.
yeah.
Of course, Hyderabad is the most happening city. Not that there's anything less here.
No? Does it happen here as well?
We've heard, yeah, we hear of. I mean, but it's more in predictable places. Like you know, you go for night parties. There are like rave parties and stuff happening. కానీ ముంబై లాంటి నగరాల్లో చాలా ఈజీగా స్కూళ్ళలోకి చొచ్చుకుపోతుందని వింటున్నాం.
Outside school, colleges, theatres, everywhere. It's
డ్రగ్స్ ఆర్ అవైలబుల్. అండ్ దానికి చాలా సాడ్గా పరిష్కారం లేదు. సో ఎక్కడ టైటన్ చేస్తే పిల్లలు డ్రగ్స్ బారిన పడకుండా ఉంటారు?
punishment, I'm not sure. It has to come from within. Like, see, I've been in the industry for long enough. I can talk about me. I may have got opportunities to say, Bhumika, come, let's try, let's do it. That's fine. But I know how I have reached here. It's not come easy to me. I'm not a star kid. I come from an army background. I didn't have so much money. Army, you get the facilities, you get everything, but you don't get those fancy houses and cars. So my dad worked hard, 3 children. You come to a place like Bombay to make a name for yourself. And so I realized if you are going to mess up, you're going to mess up your entire life. So I was very clear I'm not going to do this. I'm not going to get into it, because to reach here, there are millions of people who want to be here. I may not be the best actress in the world, in Telugu, in Hindi. I'm a fairly decent actor, performer, fairly decent. I'm not there. I know me. I know my credibility. I'm not a wow, and I'm not there, but I know I work hard and I'm there. But even to reach here, I've put effort. And I'm not going to let it go for one stupid fancy of mine, that I feel like trying a drug and I want to have drugs and I want to get high. No, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to mess my life. It took me years to reach here. So it's up to you. Then there is, I know some people, there'll be peer pressure.
Right.
Like, if you don't do it, you're not so cool. That is one thing. Or they'll also be like,
Have you had such pressure?
I don't go out.
You don't go out
I
at all.
don't
I
go
know
out
you've
only.
always been a homebird. I remember.
I don't go out only. I mean, I go out,
But-
with different people, with very, what should I say? I mean,
Quiet introvert.
not introvert, chilled out.
Are you like the fun girl?
Yeah,
who
I've
goes
had my
out,
fun
dances?
parties. Oh yes, I used to be known as the life of dance parties in my young days. People who know me from then can vouch for it, that they've laughed the most with me, they've danced the most with me, they've had the most fun with me, without being,
All this.
without all that. You don't need that.
So when did you get opportunities? ఎప్పుడు వచ్చాయి మీకు opportunities? మీరు hey, come on, let's try భూమిక అని.
No,
Friends
I mean,
colleagues
I will not not colleagues for sure. Friends also know, but I won't be able to cite the example. But I was clear that you do it once, you do it twice. If you get into it, you're finished.
finished. Yeah.
You're finished, and I'm not doing this.
What is that one temptation, భూమిక? ఆ టైంలో what do they tell you? People who've done it, obviously.
You see a different world and all. I said, I'm seeing a different world anyway. I'm like already seeing a different world. What different world can I see? You get very, I don't know what they get, but एक में ऐसा होगा वैसे हो. मैंने कहा वैसे ही होता है मेरे को तो. मैं तो वैसे ही I'm happy and high.
I'm already नशे में है.
हम already घूम रहे हैं. मतलब I'm traveling the world.
I know.
By God's grace, touch wood. I'm meeting such wonderful people. I'm working with some really amazing people. I have friends from all over, from the army, from MBA, doctors. My friends live in Switzerland, Australia, my school friends. So I already have such, I don't have too many friends, but the friends that I have are very, they're real. They're real and they're fun. There's no,
Pretending.
Nothing. So you enjoy talking to them. And then you have this whole set of friends who read. So different categories, the sports friends, the adventure friends. So I have my own connections where I meet people. I come across as very this thing. But yeah, I'll go out. I'll meet people. Like-minded people where you can connect. So I'm already feeling happy about that. Then why do I need to sit in a room and spoil my life?
So true and so wisely spoken. But sadly, this is a reality of today, and I think Euphoria addresses this in a very big way. Films like this should actually educate people.
I think it's more, we all know, we've seen it, whether it's in teenagers or college kids or even film industry. One mistake and your name is tarnished forever.
Correct.
And no matter what happens, the tarnish remains forever. But first of all, forget the people who do it. Why aren't those people who sell it are caught?
I mean, that's the real crime actually.
Having is a crime, but why aren't those who sell it are caught?
Unfortunately, they are being caught, but
Left.
it keeps coming back from new
Places,
areas,
yeah.
new places. And it's a very big issue ఇవాళ రోజుల్లో. గుణశేఖర్ గారు ఎందుకు ఆలోచితంగా ఈ సినిమా తీయాలనుకున్నారు?
I thank Guna sir for making this film and taking up this subject and spreading the awareness.
ఏమన్నారు
more.
గుణ సార్ అప్పుడు 2003లో ఒక్కడిలో చూసి ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ భూమిక గారిని తన డైరెక్షన్లో చూసుకుంటూ ఏమన్నారు?
It's going to be, I think, more totally two different films.
Yeah, but he would have seen you evolve as an actor, and
Yeah, I think that you have to ask him
of course,
as if what he feels about me. But we both have come a long way. He's also made films, large films in between. Really,
శాకుంతలం, రుద్రమదేవి ఒకటి కాదు అసలు ఎన్ని సినిమాలు మంచి మంచి వచ్చాయి అసలు.
all big films, all big projects. So he's also got a lot of more experience than what he had then, and I've done a little bit of work in between. And
హౌ డూ రిలేట్ విత్ తెలుగు ఇండస్ట్రీ భూమిక? మీరు హిందీలో ఒక ఫుల్ అంటే ఈ మధ్యకాలంలో అయితే తరచు కనిపిస్తున్నారు. యూర్ ఆఫన్ విజిబుల్ ఇన్ హిందీ సినిమా.
No, but I relate more here. I feel more at home, and every time I come back, I feel happy.
ఏ మెమరీస్ మీకు దే ఫీల్ సో గుడ్? అంటే మంచి మంచి సినిమాలు తీశారు, బ్యూటిఫుల్ పాటలు ఉన్నాయి మీకు, వెదర్ ఇట్స్ మౌనంగానే ఆర్ ప్రేమించే ప్రేమవా.
You sing as well, no?
అమ్మాయే సన్నగా అరనవ్వే నవ్వగా, అర్ణవ్ కరెక్ట్గా పెట్టారు మీకు. అర్ణవ్ అంటే హాఫ్ స్మైల్.
Half smile.
యా, సో హౌ డూ యూ ఫీల్ అబౌట్ ఆల్ దోస్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ మెమరీస్, ద ట్రైల్ దట్ యూ హెవ్ లెఫ్ట్?
I feel blessed. As I always say, gratitude forever. I always wake up thanking God. I sleep thanking God. I pray to God and say thank you for everything He's given to me. I couldn't have asked for more. And such lovely songs, like you said, not only Telugu, Hindi, lo, Tamil, each industry lo, I've got chala baga,
కానీ అందరికీ ఏం ఆశ్చర్యం అంటే భూమిక గారు అంత సూపర్ స్టార్ అంటే ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఒక టాప్ హీరోస్, టాప్ బ్యానర్స్లో మీరు యాక్ట్ చేస్తున్న టైంలో సడన్గా మీరు బ్రేక్ తీసుకోవడం అన్నది చాలామంది ఫ్యాన్స్ అరే అనుకున్నారు.
I think that break was needed, or was meant to be. You can't, sometimes it's destiny how things pan out. That break was meant to be because I probably needed a little break from the constant thing that was happening.
వాట్ వాజ్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ ఆ రోజుల్లో అంటే ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రెషర్ ఆఫ్, బికాస్ ఎనీ పబ్లిక్ ప్రొఫెషన్ అందరికీ ప్రెషర్ ఉంటుంది.
No, I think it was not pressure for the public thing. I think it was just internal.
జర్నీగా
Yeah, I just needed some time for my own self.
I've always known you as a spiritual seeker, looking for answers, looking for deeper meaning in everything. Because Bhumika ante nobody ever says she is just an actor. You look like you're as real in person as much you're on screen.
Thank you.
So you look very real on screen actually, whatever character you do. Because so what answers have you found in life, Bhumika? I was always curious to know. Ante in terms of the spiritual seeking and meaning of life and why things happen, why they don't happen. ఇవి ఎందుకు జరుగుతాయి, తెలుగు ఆడియన్స్ కోసం తెలుగులో అడుగుతున్నాను. ఇలా ఎందుకు అవుతుంది, ఇలా ఎందుకు అవ్వదు, నాకు సినిమా ఇండస్ట్రీలో నేను ఎందుకు వచ్చాను, నా కాలింగ్ ఇది కంప్లీషన్ ఎట్లా, వెన్ విల్ ఐ డిక్లేర్ కంప్లీషన్ టు దిస్, బికాస్ ఎవ్రీబడి డిక్లేర్స్ కంప్లీషన్, మూవ్స్ టు ద నెక్స్ట్ థింగ్, బిగ్ థింగ్ ఇన్ లైఫ్, వాట్ ఎవర్ దే ఆర్ సీకింగ్. సో హ్యావ్ యూ ఎవర్ థాట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్, ఎవర్ లైక్ దిస్?
Yeah, so now, I mean, there were many other things I wanted to do professionally also, but I'm also seeking something else in life. Finally, I've understood one thing, that you have to live in the moment. Right now, right here, I'm here with you 100%. I'm out 100%. Like I just went for lunch. I'm 100% there. I'm just disconnected from
Everything else.
everything else. And when I'm here, I'm 100% here with you in the moment. There's nothing else. But yes, I've, without making it sound boring,
No, not at all.
but after so many years, I realized we are all living for ourselves. To, each one for his own self. Are we making a difference to anyone's life? And if we are not, then how meaningless is our life itself? Whether you make a difference to an animal's life, to a human's life, to a tree, to a nature, to somebody's career, to some child. If you're not doing that, you're just busy minting money and going on.
Yeah,
I mean, we're all the same.
correct. True.
So if you can make a difference to someone's life in whichever way you can, it can be anything, then I think we should do that. We should pause every now and then to say, okay, I've done my work, I've earned my money, I've got my whatever. Take some time off, and
అలాగే మీకు ఏమైనా కనిపించింది ఒక కాజ్ కానీ కాలింగ్ కానీ?
I feel very connected to nature and animals. Also, I strongly feel about consumerism at this point. We've become consumers of everything.
సోషల్ మీడియా వచ్చాక మరి
Correct. First, social
ఎవ్రీ
media.
క్రీమ్, ఎవ్రీ ఫెయిర్నెస్ క్రీమ్ యూ
Yeah.
వాంట్ టు హ్యావ్ ఇట్.
Everything. I mean, people are just going on buying and buying, and people are selling and selling, but they don't even pause and close their eyes to think, what are you doing to your earth?
కరెక్ట్.
It's so disheartening. I mean, we're dumping our earth with stuff, with things. I mean, in the last few years, I've started realizing that more. that how much consumerism is there. So many malls, shops, clothes, shoes, things. I don't know. I mean, we're just buying and buying.
Yeah, but then what do you do with the money, frankly?
No, I mean,
మనం ఉండడానికి we want a home, we want
home and all. See,
expenses.
basic necessities, you have to have a good home. Basic necessities. Now, after that, you have to be little aware also that you can't load the earth so much. Like, for example, new cleaning agents will come.
Like that, okay.
I mean, it can be anything. I'm just giving an example.
So
One
where
phone
are you
is,
frugal? Where do you control yourself?
I try and control everywhere. Because I realize if I'm buying something, it's actually damaging the earth unless you've recycled something else.
Correct. True.
You know, if you have something, give it to someone or recycle it. If you can't, then if you're just going to keep throwing things in the bin, then basically you're loading the earth. You're being a burden on the earth.
భూమికి భారం కాకూడదు అనేది మీ పేరేమో చక్కగా మీరు పాత్రలు నటిస్తున్నారు భూమిక,
Bhumika.
అండ్ భూమి మీ పేరులో కూడా ఉంది కాబట్టి I think it all falls together
Falls
with
together.
your calling and your purpose. Bhumika, we remember you as one of the, of course you still are, a very graceful, beautiful female actor who's acted with the top stars. మీకుండే బెస్ట్ మెమరీస్ ఏ కో స్టార్స్తో ఉన్నాయి ఫిల్మ్స్ పరంగా? మహేష్ బాబు గారు, పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ గారు.
I think each film you do has a different memory you're left with because it's an experience. So to choose one is always difficult because for those few months you've lived your life with certain people, you've created memories.
అంత డీప్గా అటాచ్ అవుతారా మీరు?
Not very deep connections, but yeah, you connect, you know, you kind of working memories, how you've dealt with things. So each film will leave you with some good memory.
బట్ స్టిల్ ఆల్ టైమ్ ఫేవరెట్?
It's very hard to say.
Okay, tell us maybe one from each of your primary projects.
Oh, I'll start with Okkadu, Guna sir's film. I think that has quite a few interesting memories, but I'll probably just say that
నా ఫేవరెట్ ఎందుకంటే నా పేరే ఉంది కాబట్టి.
your name. I know. Ardham avtundi. It's your name, Swapna.
Yes.
So I think the one where Mahesh and I go underwater, and that shot was really interesting for me. So that memory in that.
మహేష్ గారు వాజ్ వెరీ షై కదా ఆ రోజుల్లో.
Shy.
యూస్ టు బి వెరీ
Now
క్వైట్.
also? No,
He's
I
also,
don't know.
you don't know, but yeah, he looks very shy and introvert and quiet.
Quiet, yeah. Not as such. I mean, all the films I have some memories to say what. Jillanur Kadal, my Tamil film, I was supposed to do the role that Jyotika played. But I went back to the director and he had offered me that role. I said, I won't do this, I'll do the other one. Otherwise, I won't do the film. Because that had two shades
Okay.
of the character. Like,
In your actual character or the other?
no, in my. So the one that I played, she has that Indian sweet girl look from, you know, if you've seen the movie.
Yes.
And then she goes to Australia and that whole changeover and she's
So you like
more-
that more?
Yeah, so I was offered her role, Jyotika's. And I think all the films with Pawan sir also, I had a good time working with him.
And of course, రవితేజ గారితో
Mm.
అది మా క్లాసిక్ స్టేట్మెంట్ అనమాట. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ బి ద గుడ్ సమారిటన్ హూ సపోర్ట్స్ ద హీరో ఆర్ సపోర్ట్స్ ద గై లైక్ అ ఫ్రెండ్, ఇట్స్ భూమిక. ఆటోగ్రాఫ్లో భూమిక లాగా అని అడుగుతాను అనమాట అలాగా. సో అందరూ దే యూస్ టు బి వెరీ, అంటే ఆ రోజుల్లో ఎలా ఉండేది ఫిల్మ్ మేకింగ్ అప్పటికి ఇప్పటికి మారిపోయింది అంటారా?
Little different, not so much, but yeah, I think technically we've evolved a lot. We've got different equipment, digitally we shoot. We have a lot of more, I think lots more has happened technically than then.
కరెక్ట్.
But I feel then was also a good time where it was more, you know, fully involved in the work you're doing.
సో ట్రూ.
Now it feels a little more,
కొంచెం అర్థమైంది. దేర్ వాజ్ ఆ కనెక్షన్ ఎక్కువ ఉండేది ఆ రోజుల్లో.
now it's a little,
టెక్నాలజీ హెస్ టేకెన్ ఓవర్ మోర్.
technology is taken, so there's no connection. People come or go.
ఈవెన్ గానా గాతే జబ్ పहले 40 piece ఆర్కెస్ట్రా,
Hmm.
బాలూజీ,
Together,
సుశీలాజీ
it was
అండ్
different.
జానకి గారు వాళ్ళు పాడుతున్నప్పుడు పెద్ద ఆర్కెస్ట్రాతో పాడారు ఆ రోజుల్లో అని చెప్తారు.
Correct.
ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే సింగింగ్ ట్రాక్ అలా
Separate.
సో
And then you mix it.
యు మిక్స్ ఇట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ.
There's no connection.
యా, సో ప్రొడక్షన్ ఫుడ్ అండ్ ద బ్రేక్ టైమ్ laugh and all that was all fun during those
Correct.
days.
Now it's not there.
Very.
Dry.
So do you miss that environment now?
Yeah, I think sometimes I do miss it.
Between films, what do you normally like to do?
Either I'm normally in Bombay, you know, the normal house life, and you're at home doing things, reading or traveling. I love to travel.
ఎక్కడ ట్రావెల్ చేస్తారు యూజువలీ స్పిరిచువల్ ప్లేసెస్ ఆర్ జస్ట్ ఈవెన్ ఫన్ ప్లేసెస్?
Fun places also.
Somehow I think I'm pushing you to get into a spiritual mold, right? I think I'll change that.
No, I go to fun places. I have a lot of fun and come back. I do all sorts of things.
All sorts of things.
Not all sorts, but all sorts of fun adventure things.
Like balloon rides,
Yeah, all of
adventure
that.
rides
I've
and all
still
that.
not done balloon ride. I've done the gyrocopter, the other things, you know.
అక్కడ బాంబేలో మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎవరు భూమిక? మీ ఫిల్మ్ మీ వర్క్ని చూసి అప్రిషియేట్ చేసి మీకు ఒక వే టు గో గర్ల్ అని వెనక నుంచి
No, I
చెప్పారు.
don't have
Any industry friends you have that?
Bombay? I have, but we are not into those kind of conversations.
Okay.
Very normal.
You do have industry friends, as in
Not many.
you keep to yourself then.
I have friends from outside. no?
Outside of the
Yeah,
industry.
Yeah.
Because I just wonder, ante once you come in professionally, whether you have the time to mingle with and shop with and hang out with atlanti undavu.
I haven't done that. Maybe unfortunately, I should have, but I haven't. But now anyway, now I'm busy in my own life.
యా, ఇప్పుడు యూఫోరియా తర్వాత మీరు వరుస పెట్టి సినిమాల్లో సైన్ చేస్తున్నారా?
Right now, nothing.
అఫ్ కోర్స్ ఎవ్రీబడి లవ్డ్ యువర్ రోల్ ఇన్ ధోని ఆల్సో. అలాగా అన్ని మీరు ఈ మధ్య చేసిన ఇంకొక ఫిల్మ్లో కూడా చూసాం మిమ్మల్ని, ఒక పివటల్ రోల్, లాయర్ క్యారెక్టరా? లాయర్ కాదు, వన్ పవర్ఫుల్ రోల్ ఇన్ తెలుగు. ఐమ్ ట్రైంగ్ టు రికాల్ వాట్ దట్ రోల్ ఇస్.
Butterfly.
బటర్ఫ్లై కాదు, ఇంకోటి
Sita Raman.
ఎంసీఏలో చూసాను.
MCA. Okay.
ఎంసీఏలో కూడా ఎవ్రీబడి లవ్డ్ యువర్.
Thank you.
సో ఐ థింక్ మోర్ అండ్ మోర్ అయితే భూమిక మీరు వాట్ యూ సీక్, ఏం కావాలనుకుంటున్నారు లైఫ్లో?
Nothing. I mean, I just want to enjoy while I'm here. Enjoy each day, live each day to the best, and make a difference at some point, larger than I already feel. Do whatever I can, you know. And that's it. Travel the world and enjoy myself.
ఇంత శాంతంగా ఉంటారు మీరు, ఏం తింటారు మామూలుగా?
Veg food, simple food, not spicy.
నాట్ స్పైసీ, జస్ట్ వెజ్ ఫుడ్, సింపుల్ ఫుడ్.
Yeah.
యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ స్ట్రిక్ట్ బిగ్ డయట్స్ అండ్
No, I eat everything, but in moderation.
మోడరేషన్. అండ్ వాట్ యూ డూ టు కీప్ ఫిట్? ఏం చేస్తారు?
Yoga, walking, swimming.
యూ హ్యావ్ లాస్ట్ వెయిట్ ఈవెన్ మోర్ సిన్స్ ఐ లాస్ట్ సా యూ.
Yeah.
యా, ऐसे हो गया आप. అదేదో మేము కూడా చేస్తాం చెప్తే, ఆ సీక్రెట్ మాకు చెప్పారంటే. తర్వాతనా? ఓకే. బట్ అంతే మీ ఫిట్నెస్ రొటీన్, యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ మేజర్ స్ట్రిక్ట్ protocols in life.
Not yet.
So sounds great. I think your skin speaks, your glow speaks that you know you're in a happy place.
Thank you.
And so can I ask you a question about Yash?
Yeah.
How is Yash doing?
Good. He's doing good.
Is Yash going to be a director or an actor?
I really don't know. I think with kids, they keep changing their dreams. It keeps changing over a period of time. So whatever he's interested in later, we'll figure.
ఏదేమైనా మీతో మళ్ళీ కలిసి మాట్లాడడం, కబుర్లు చెప్పడం చాలా బాగుంది. అండ్ యూఫోరియా ఫిల్మ్ కోసం మేము అందరం వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఫిబ్రవరి 6 రిలీజ్ అవుతుందని
correct.
తెలుస్తుంది. ఇందులో మీ కోస్టార్స్ ఏమైనా పాటలు ఉన్నాయా? ఓ పాట పాడతారా మాకు?
So Sara is there. We didn't have.
Of course, how can I miss Sara Arjun? The Sara Arjun, Dhurandhar.
Dhurandhar Sara.
Oh my God.
I've not seen the movie, but I have met her in the end. We had a little scene together.
Sara plays your.
We'll see the film.
We'll see in the film. Okay.
We'll see in the film. But she's really good. She's really good. And I had a few moments of conversation with her during the interviews, and I quite like her as a person. Very sensible, very wise, very mature. And Vignesh is there, young kid on the block, but a very good actor, really good actor. Likita is there. She's also done a good job. And I think that's it.
And Gunasekhar Gari seasoned థింకింగ్లోంచి వస్తున్న స్కూల్లోంచి వస్తున్న ఒక ఫిల్మ్ అంటే ఆబ్వియస్లీ చాలా సబ్స్టెన్స్ ఉంటుంది, చాలా క్రియేటివిటీ ఉంటుంది. అండ్ హీ నరేట్స్ ద స్టోరీ వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్లీ.
I'm really praying the very best for this film, and I hope everyone likes it.
Now have a small fun rapid fire
Sure.
which won't ask any deep questions, okay?
All right.
Okay.
That sounds good.
Your time starts now.
Okay.
How many pairs of clothes do you have?
I don't know. Then my son go.
I think your son did this.
Ask him how many he has.
How many do you have?
He won't be able to put his hands together.
Oh, 50 or 100?
Oh, that's
Like understatement?
understatement. That I'm giving away. I just pick boxes and I send. Who needs it? Go take it. I keep telling him, we can send this to that person. We can send this to that person. Just give away.
Which is Bhumika Garu's favorite shopping spot? Me favorite shopping spot
I
area.
don't have any favorite. I shop in emergency.
I think join the club. Yes. All of us do that.
Arey, I have to go for an event. Oh, I need a dress.
Any
I'm
కొనుక్కొనిస్తారా?
not like those women who go and shop. I'm not like that.
మీ కంఫర్ట్ క్లోత్స్ అంటే ఏంటి మరి?
Long dress, jeans, kurta, shirt, pants, comfort.
భూమిక గారి ఫేవరెట్ ఫుడ్?
Nothing as such, but vegetarian simple food.
హైదరాబాద్లో భూమిక గారికి నచ్చిన విషయం?
Enjoy roaming around the city. When I come, I have my friends. I meet them every time, and that's it.
హ్యాంగ్ అవుట్ లేట్ ఇన్ ద నైట్?
No, in the day.
ఇన్ ద డే? ఓ అర్లీ స్లీపరా?
like in between evening 6, 7, 8 o'clock.
బట్ యూర్ ఎర్లీ స్లీపర్?
I would love to sleep by 9:30, but I sleep by 10:30, 10:45.
Oh my god, you're so disciplined and
No,
sorted.
I'm not. It gets late, and then I'm like, oh, why is it late? Because the next morning I don't feel fresh. So I'm like, I want to sleep on time and I want to wake up on time.
మీ స్కిన్ కోసం మీరు చేసే ఒక్క విషయం టు కీప్ ఇట్ గ్లోయింగ్ అండ్ హ్యాపీ?
I think first thing which is very important for skin is being in a peaceful state of mind. If you're not, then it reflects on your skin. Then to have basic simple food, exercise regularly, sleep well. Sleep is very important. Water, lots of hydration, basics, fruits. That's it.
డూ యూ ఎవర్ గెట్ యాంగ్రీ?
Yes, I do. My son is like, yes, he's shaking all his head. Ask me why.
సో యూ
I have a lot of patience. Whoever knows me, they're like people who know me around, they're like, you're very patient. But I lose it when there are certain situations and I lose it. Otherwise, my whole thing is, अच्छा कोई बात नहीं, जाने दो, हो गया कोई बात नहीं.
బట్ యూ డూ గెట్ యాంగ్రీ? అప్పుడప్పుడు కోపం వస్తుంది.
In the recent times.
ఎలాంటి వాటికి? చిరాక? టైంకి డ్రైవర్ రాలేదు అలాంటివా?
No, not all that. I mean, otherwise generally ho jata hai. Sometimes I feel that if you're not well rested, that gets the better out of you. So that's why I emphasize on getting good rest, sleep, your proper things. Then it works better.
Really last question. On scale of 1 to 10, how has life treated you?
So if I weigh my pros and cons and everything, at the end of it, I'll say
6? 7?
I could give it a 10 because I'm
But this is not forced gratitude I'm talking about. I'm
Ah.
talking about a real honest assessment of
real
how we
assessment
perceive our lives. మన జీవితాలు మనం చూసుకునే
6.5.
ఓకే 10కి 6.5, 65% ఆల్ సెట్.
Yeah.
ఆ 35% ఆల్సో ఐఎమ్ ష్యూర్
Tax तो भरना पड़ता है ना.
टैक्स भरना पड़ता है. 35%,
Tax तो
65 अच्छा है,
तो tax तो
35%
भरना
टैक्स
पड़ेगा.
भरेगा. और यूफोरिया का बाद ऐसा यूफोरिया हो जाएगा लाइफ.
So somewhere, whatever you earn, you're good, you're happy, you're earning, you're successful, your marriage, your children, whatever you have around you, or health, if you have the good, you're going to have to fill the tax. And the tax is obviously going to pinch you, but it's okay.
No hard feelings, no.
Hard feelings, karke fir it only affects you. So this is better not to have hard feelings over it.
So true.
Why affect your own self with hard feelings?
Wisely spoken. Very
Yeah,
well spoken.
because ultimately, if you want to live long and healthy, then you have to get off that hard feelings and on a daily basis keep doing things that keep you happy. Because ultimately, it's you for yourself. Your family may stay with you, but if you yourself don't take care of yourself, your family isn't going to be able to do anything.
వెరీ ట్రూ. చాలా యాంటిసిపేషన్తో మేము వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నాం యూఫోరియా ఫిల్మ్ కోసం.
Thank you.
అండ్
Please
మీరు
go
కూడా
watch.
అలాగా మీ 65% నుంచి 85%కి ఆ కట్టిన ఎక్సెస్ ట్యాక్స్ అంతా ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ భర్తీ అయిపోతుందని ఆశిస్తున్నాం మీకోసం. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ లవ్లీ కాన్వర్జేషన్ ఆఫ్టర్ లాంగ్ టైం.
Lovely talking
Bhumika.
to you. Thank
పాట
you.
పాడరా మా కోసం, మంచి మంచి పాటలు.
Hmm.
మౌనంగానే ఎదగమని మొగ్గ నీకు చెబుతుంది,
ఎదిగిన కొద్దీ ఒదగమని అర్థమందులో ఉంది.
ఎస్, చాలా మంచి పాటలునే మేము పాడుకుంటాం షూట్ అయిపోయాక. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ భూమిక, ఆల్ ది
Thank
బెస్ట్.
you so much. Thank you.